So before you watch this video, I'm gonna tell you to go watch another video after this one. It's one of my close friends named Abby. She did a reaction video to my 2018 recap video. I didn't like how I made that video, but she reacted to it, and I put the link in the description so you can go watch it, and so you can go subscribe to her. She's really awesome. She does vlogs as well. She does really cool videos. If you watch her video, it's gonna sound like it's scripted. It's gonna sound like we're saying the same thing, but she was pretty much the reason why I started this YouTube channel, because I thought it was gonna be something kind of fun to do, and then I got an editing software and I saw what I can do with it, so I wanted to have some fun. So thank her for these videos. So go watch that, and now go watch my video intro. It has been a while. Remember this guy? This boy right here? He's from that special episode. Remember that episode I wanted to go watch Bumblebee? Now we're gonna go watch Bumblebee. Early access screening, boys. It's like red carpet out here. You can kind of see Mount on the red. There you go. There's Mount. He's from that episode. It has been a while. A really long while. I think the last video I made was January, and that was my 2018 recap. I hated that video. I didn't like how I made it. Mom, get off your phone. What are you
I'm sorry.
What has been going on? It's been a long time. I'm with my boy again. You can follow him on Instagram here. I think he's private, so if he doesn't know,
I'm private.
He's private, so if he doesn't know you, he might block you.
If you call me,
He won't answer.
I won't answer.
If you DM him, he also won't answer. But just putting it here, just so you know. Right, you can put it on his face. You can put it on his face right here. Okay, so I've been teasing what's been going on. It's been a while. For those of you who have known me for a long time, know.
I don't know.
Yeah, you do. You've known me since like 3rd grade. Shut up.
No.
Yes, yeah. Okay, so let's take you back to 2006. In 2006, we got a new Mazda called the Mazda 5. We named it Max. It was blue, or it is blue. The car is now currently sitting in my driveway dead. It's
his future car.
Legit, it's actually my future car. It actually is my future car, but like it starts up, but the transmission has a lot of damage, so you can't really drive it. So that means my dad has a car, but my mom had a car, but my dad doesn't have a car. So we needed a solution, and that's what I've been teasing. We got a car in January. Even he just found out. He didn't know.
Yeah.
I didn't tell anyone.
He has to tease us before he can tell us.
Yeah. I didn't want to tell anyone. Some people at church already found out because we drive into church, obviously. Yeah, you're mad. You're upset. No, I didn't tell you.
He has to leak it. He can't come in and say, hey, I got you. We bought you a car. Look at it.
Okay.
Look how sexy looking red car is this.
Okay, so the reason why I didn't want to post it immediately, because I don't want to be one of those people like the day we buy it, look at my new car and we're like flexing, and we're not trying to do that. We just need a car. It's normal, okay? People get cars. People get iPhone 10s, and I can't afford an iPhone 10.
No, that's just stupid.
Yeah. So, we did get a new car. More on that later.
Tell me me the engine, right? Horsepower. Give me
Horsepower is 184.
Battery life.
2 liter, 4-cylinder.
I want the battery life.
Battery life?
Yeah.
2 years if it's good.
How's the radio?
Bose sound system. I'll show you the car later.
Any GPS on it?
Yes, it does actually.
Oh.
It has Apple CarPlay. But my mom drives it every day, so we could barely see it.
Yeah, college.
Yeah, we've been in college. Second semester. It goes by faster than we thought.
It's already March.
It's already March. Like
I was in math yesterday. When doing math, I was in my schedule. I was looking in the schedule for the upcoming classes. I'm like, bro, we're almost into April, and April's like the end of the second semester.
literally, because my last day of class is April 26th, which is literally right around the corner. And my last day for finals is May 1st.
I'm like, bro.
So, yeah. Do you have anything funny to talk about?
Captain Marvel.
Captain Marvel. Yes, I forgot I was going to talk about that. We want to go see it this weekend. But we got a lot of things to do this weekend, so I don't know if we're going to be able to go see it. I really want to go see it, especially open weekend. I love going to open weekend because they're really fun. So if anyone wants to go watch Captain Marvel with me, let me know because I need people to go with.
Not him, me. Not him, me.
It's my channel, me. He's private anyway, so you can't even get to him.
I will accept it.
He's like some random dude named Gaspacho.
Gaspacho.
You want to play Smash?
Sure, let's play some Smash.
Little video I've been teasing. I'm gonna play it now. That is the new car. It gets like 20 million views just for a dog. And then my face gets like 12. Is that a hit?
Yeah. Look at the.
Well. Yeah, there it is. How Hachi, what do you think, bro? She doesn't care. Bro, this dog.
I've never seen that.
There she goes.